School words for beginners. Teacher, teach. Student, study. Pencil, calculator. Pen, book. Fruits words for beginners. Banana, mango. Apple, watermelon. Grape, pear. Peach, strawberry. Vegetable words for beginners. Carrot, spinach. Tomato, peas. Onion, broccoli. Potato, pumpkin. Kitchen words for beginners. Plate, bowl. Knife, fork. Spoon, oven. Kettle, fridge. Nature words for beginners. Tree, forest. Mountain, cloud. Sun, moon. Star, flower. Clothing words for beginners. Hat, dress. Shirt, shorts. Shoes, socks. Scarf, jeans. Animal words for beginners. Cat, dog. Chicken, pig. Tiger, monkey. Lion, elephant. Transportation words for beginners. Bicycle, boat. Bus, car. Train, subway. Taxi, plane.